Right people, so I welcome you to another interesting tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a link. A link is simply a kind of connection or path that is created to join two pages. So let's look over here. This is a page I created. So you can see we have making a list, and then we have a well organized room, the things in my room. Then we have some list, and then we have this line becoming blue. So you can see it here. Alright, so this is a link. It is such that when I click on it, it's going to take me into a different page. So just like you open the door from your bedroom, you open the door and you go into the kitchen or you go into any other room. So let's click on it and see what happens. Alright, so it takes me as to where myself, an interesting journey. And then over here we have go back also over here. So it means it will be able to send us back to our room. Alright, so let's head into our code editor and then see what we can do to get it. Already we have two pages, so we are going to work with this. Let's add paragraph, another paragraph over here. So P for paragraph. And let's write, you can view more here. So you can view more here. You can view more here. All right. The objective of this lesson is for us to make sure you can view more here. We are not going to make the whole to be link. We are only going to make here as a link. So straight away, HTML has a lot of syntaxes or commands that help us to create whatever we want to. Just like the H1 element has helped us to create hello world, and paragraph helped us to create this paragraph. We have a syntax that helps to create link, and it is simply or shortly called anchor. A representing it. So let's open anchor A. And then because it closed here, we don't want it that way, so we are going to cut the whole line over here and then we paste it here. Alright, good. Now when we run this, let's run this in our page and see what happens. Nothing happens. The reason is that we need to add an attribute. Remember, an attribute is going to point to where we want the link to go. Okay, so anchor, we are going to give it an attribute as href. Okay, and where are we sending it to? We are mapping it to structure.html. So remember, anchor tag, then we give it href, an attribute, and then we map it to the page we want. So structure is already in the folder. That is why I encourage you to put everything in one folder. Alright, so let's see. Structure.html, save it, refresh. Alright, so you can see you can view more here. Let's click on it and see what happens. And there you go. So it has brought us to the structure page. Let us go to the structure page and then say go back here. So let's add another paragraph. Don't worry, let's add it here. You can go back here. So go back here. So we are going to make the go back a link. So anchor, we don't want it here, so I'm going to copy it and then paste it over at the back here. Alright, now it is not going to work unless we add attributes. So href, and then we are making it index.html. Let's save it and then run it also. Actually, let's not run it. Let's come back to our browser and see. So we have go back. Alright, so thank you. This is all link is about. So remember, anchor tags helps us to create link, and then href helps us to map it to the page that we want to lead. We want the link to lead us. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.